You may lose data on your Android phone when forgetting its password, PIN, or pattern and you want to unlock it. But there's no need for you to worry anymore because here, we've come up with several ways to unlock a locked Android phone without losing data. Method 1. Unlock locked Android without losing data using Android Unlock Hub. Android Unlock is regarded as the most reliable and efficient tool to unlock your Android devices. With a few simple steps, it can successfully unlock your Android phone that is locked with password pattern. Step 1. Launch Android Unlock. Step 2. Get your Android phone into download mode. Step 3. Download a recovery package on Android phone. Step 4. Unlock your locked Android device. Method 2. Unlock locked Android phone with safe mode without losing data. Press and hold power button. Hold power off option. Confirm safe mode. Uninstall screen lock app. Reboot Android. Method 3. Unlock Android password with ADB mode with no loss of data. Install minimal ADB and fastboot. Connect Android to computer. Open command window in ADB folder. Enter ADB shell ARM data system gesture. Key. Reboot Android. Remove pattern. Set new password or PIN or pattern. Method 4. Unlock your locked Android device via Android Device Manager without losing data. Visit ADM website. Log into Google account. Choose device. Click lock. Enter temporary password. Confirm and unlock Android. Method 5. Unlock locked Android device with Google Find My Device. Visit Find My Device website on Android or computer. Sign in with Google account. Choose the device. Click Erase Device. Enter Google account info. After device wipe, set a new password. Method 6. Unlock your Android phone with factory reset. Power off Android. Enter recovery mode. Vol up plus home plus power or vol down plus power or home plus power. Navigate with volume keys. Confirm with power. Choose wipe data or factory reset. Reboot Android. Access without password.